Hello, and welcome to week one of our Math 081 course for summer 2023. Congratulations! If you are watching this video, it means you've watched the video that I posted on the homepage already about the weekly routine you should follow, and you've found your way to the week one overview. This is the perfect place for you to be at the beginning of the week. So remember, every week, whatever week we're in, week one, week two, week three, etc., you want to start at that overview. So you are in the most perfect place right now, which is the week one overview. And this is where you earn those 2 bonus points every week. So keep watching to the end of this video for the secret embedded question. And once you upload your work for that question, you can earn your 2 bonus points. Okay, but let's talk about some action items for the week. So again, like I said, you always want to begin each week here at the weekly overview. In this page, you'll see a list of everything that's coming up for the week and a description of anything that I really want to draw your attention to. So you'll notice I have some descriptions of what's coming up this week and then a list of assignments. So we have a scavenger hunt that's going to be due, and that scavenger hunt is going to be due by Wednesday night. Then you have an original post where you're going to introduce yourself in the student introductions board. I want to also make sure that you create your More account this week, and then you're also going to complete units 1 and 2 when you are in the More system. And then after that, you'll go back to the student introductions discussion board and reply to at least one of your classmates. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's go into the modules, and let me show you where you really can access everything for the week. So hopefully you've already gone through the Getting Started module, the MCC Student Resources module, the More Resources module, and the Math Help module, because there's lots of important information in those modules that you will refer back to throughout the next 8 weeks. And also there's going to be some questions about those modules in that scavenger hunt. So here we are in week one. You are at the week one overview page. This is also where you'll access the link to the Let's Meet session. So I'm hosting our first Let's Meet session on May 31st at 10 a.m. I know that time might not work for every single person in the class, and after the class gets rolling, I will take your feedback on maybe better times of day or different days of the week where those would be helpful. But I did want to get this one early in the week, so as you're setting up your materials for the class and as you're getting used to navigating through Canvas and the More system, you had plenty of time to ask me some questions so you can be successful throughout the rest of the week. So hopefully you can join us on May 31st at 10 a.m. I look forward to meeting you and some of your classmates. So by May 31st, you want to post to the Student Introductions discussion board. So I'll just give you a brief look at that. So there's an opportunity for you to introduce yourself, so we start to find that we have things in common with each other. And then also there is a video to watch where I describe top 5 tips to be successful in Math 081. And in that video, you're also going to learn about a number of helpful tools in Canvas that you can use throughout this semester to help you be successful. And in your post, you're also going to describe something new that you learned about Canvas. Okay, let's go back to the week one module. So after you post to the Student Introduction discussion board, you are going to answer the questions in the Math 081 scavenger hunt. So the scavenger hunt is just a way to make sure that you have gone through all of the Getting Started materials for the course, that you've looked at the syllabus, that you know where all the due dates can be found, so you know what resources you're going to use as you continue through the next 8 weeks. If you click on syllabus, you'll notice you have access to the syllabus for this course and the course schedule. I really recommend you maybe don't print the syllabus, but at least know that you can open it up and access it whenever you need to. But what I really do recommend you print is that course schedule. It's just a 1-page document, and it has all the due dates for every week of the course, all the way up to the 8th week where we take our exit exam. So this would be something nice to print out and have either in your binder, or if you have a bulletin board or something by your computer, so you can always look at it and know what's coming up for that particular week. I have mine right above my computer right here, so I always know what is due as well. So I'm prepared to answer your questions. And again, information contained in the syllabus and the course schedule are going to be on that scavenger hunt. All right, so let's go back to our week 1 module. So after you take the scavenger hunt, then you're ready to start working on your more assignments. So you definitely want to make sure that you've successfully created your more account. So the instructions for that can be found here in the more resources where it says creating your more account. That will walk you through it. That's where you'll find the course ID and the enrollment key. And it'll give you just some more information about how to navigate through more frequently asked questions, late passes. I know those are always a big question. What do I do if I miss a due date? Well, hey, guess what? You do have some late passes. So I definitely want you to read about that as well. And then after you complete your more assignments, you're ready to go back to the student introductions discussion board, and that's where you're going to reply to one of your classmates. So you'll notice if you click on this link, it just tells you what you're supposed to do. But you do want to go back into the original discussion board and you want to post to one of your classmates and be thoughtful to what you're posting. Go beyond simply telling your classmates thumbs up or I really like what you said. Give them some positive feedback. Let them know why their post was engaging. What about their post made you want to reply to them? Stimulate further conversation. You might find you really have something in common with these classmates, and then you can form study groups along the way so you guys can support each other as we continue for the next 8 weeks. So that's just kind of a summary of what's going to happen every week. You're going to go to the week 1 overview, the week 2 overview, etc. And then when you're ready, here is what I was talking about for the bonus points, right? Here's your secret question. It's about to come. Are you ready? The secret question is going to be embedded. But when you're in the week 1 overview, so the first thing you're going to do is watch this video about order of operations, or hopefully you've already watched it. And then you're going to take some notes on some examples of order of operations. Now you're watching the overview video, and here is going to come the secret embedded question. And then as you simplify the expression in the secret embedded question, and then you upload it here in the week 1 overview assignment, that's when I get to look at your work and give you feedback, and that's when you're going to be awarded the 2 bonus points. So drum roll, please. Dun, dun, dun. Here we go. And here is the secret embedded expression. So I want you to simplify this expression according to the order of operations. So you just should have watched a video showing you some examples of how to apply the order of operations, and now it's your turn. So you will complete this either on a separate sheet of paper or on an online whiteboard on your iPad. However you do it, you do need to save your work as a PDF, and then you'll upload it in that assignment. And then this is where you can earn your +2 bonus points. So thank you for watching. Again, make sure, here, let me put it back. You might need to take a screenshot of it or pause the video. Sorry about that. Either take a screenshot or pause the video so you have the expression. Okay. And then come back to the week 1 overview, or come back to the week 2 overview next week. And again, just make sure you're following that weekly routine I set forth right here. If you haven't watched this video yet, make sure you watch this video, because it literally walks you through a cycle that you're going to follow every week so you can be successful. Have a wonderful day. I can't wait to see your work for the expression and start you off with 2 bonus points. Thanks.